Welcome to our latest flip. This one is in good old Ahwatukee of the greater Phoenix area. This is a 55 and older community, but this one turned out absolutely stunning. The other thing I want to tell you is specifically we were able to get 3 important things that can add value to your house. Not every house, but when you can find these things, you want to try to do them. So jump on in with me and let me show you around. All right guys, we made it to the kitchen. Came in through the front door where we walked through where the old dining was, where the old kitchen was, because it wasn't right here before. There was actually a wall right here that made it a closed off area. This brings me to the first thing I always look for. How's the kitchen? Is it open concept and is it remodeled? The answer was negative at all 3 of these. So we had to tear it all out. We put the brand new shaker cabinets in with these beautiful quartz countertops. After taking that wall out, we added in the open concept so you can swing this way or that way. This is an entertainer's dream right here. You can flow back and forth. That is the most important thing I look for in a house to make sure I can get maximum value. Now it's also the most expensive, so you gotta weigh your options and try to find out where you can save or not. Sometimes you can just paint the cabinets if it's a more recently built home. Let's show you the rest of the house. And then right through here with the double wide doors into the master bedroom. Plenty of can lights, lots of space. And then we actually added part of this wall over here to give us a giant walk-in closet and a completely remodeled bathroom. All right guys, so this house is a split floor plan. What that means is the master is on one side of the house, the other bedrooms are on the other side. So I just showed you the master off of the living room. This is where the old kitchen was, which is now could be as a dining room, for your TV, etc. And then the other things we changed in here was we added an indoor laundry room. Super convenient. Now, like I said, split floor plan. So this side, we're gonna have all the bedrooms. Down this hallway, we have 2 bedrooms and a bathroom. Leave the hallway, let's make a little pit stop because this reminds me of number 2 on the list where you do number 2 is we added a bathroom. This wasn't here at all before and it's a full bathroom. Anytime that you can find space to add this, you should. Now it's not as expensive as a kitchen, but it still has a lot of plumbing. So it's still gonna be more expensive than most people think. But anytime you can find it, people love this. All right guys, this is the last part of the house. We made it right back by the front door, but I wanna point out to you guys this wall. This wall was not here before. We're actually right by that bathroom I just showed you, which is the first half on this side. So we added the bathroom there, and we actually added a bedroom on this side. We were looking for wasted space. This had a larger front room with a fireplace. Let me show you. And we were able to turn this into a den/bedroom. Okay, we left the fireplace because it gives it a cool ambiance feel for the den. However, you wanna make sure you do a couple things when you're adding a bedroom. What is it not a bedroom? Just 4 walls. What is a bedroom? 4 walls, a closet, and a window. If you do not have a closet, it's just a den and it doesn't count for your bedroom count. If you don't have a window, it is just a den and it doesn't count for your bedroom count. Your value comes from being able to call it a bedroom because otherwise it's just a den. You are limiting the functionality of the space and families are not able to use it the right way. Either way, someone could turn this into a den, someone could use this as a media room, but they can also use it as a bedroom where they can store stuff. So that's a super high tip, and that is the 3rd thing I look for. That is all 3 things. We did a kitchen, having an open concept remodeled kitchen, adding a bathroom, and adding a bedroom are the 3 most important things that you can do to add value. Follow me outside. This is what dreams are made of. Beautiful backyard with this amazing sparkling pool and jacuzzi. Someone is absolutely gonna be able to sit here. I can just imagine myself sitting in the jacuzzi or the pool and I'm looking out the back this way onto the golf course. Giant covered patio, built-in barbecue, 2 sheds on the side. Who wouldn't want to live here? The answer to that is anyone under 55, because in this one specifically, it's 55 and older. But this house turned out amazing. We are so happy. But just remember, the 3 things that you should be looking for in a home: You're gonna be looking for space. Can you put a bedroom? Can you put a bathroom? And then the kitchen. Can you make it open concept? Does it need to be remodeled? Now the pricing order of those is your kitchen is gonna be your most expensive, then a bathroom, and then a bedroom, okay, because of plumbing. It's a balance to find out how much are you putting into the house versus how much you're gonna get out of it. New video out every Thursday. Don't forget, check me out. Until then, see ya.